So this is the, I don't even know the name of the studio. This is the Blind Man Studio, apparently.
Midnight Sound.
Midnight Sound, okay. And who's recording? I don't know, who's doing all the, oh, it's you.
Delbert Abercrombie.
I thought it was Al. He's got more screens in here than CNN, I think. And then here's all the preamp. This is a really good Focusrite preamp. We're doing vocals on. There's a rack of gear that I have no idea what it does. And there's a another master screen of the big thing. This is my recording rig set up here. This is an AKG vocal mic, 414 with a pop filter, headphone rest, which is really not what that's for, but that's what I'm using it for. A little screen to keep the vocals tight in here, and then it's all Al's cool stuff. He's played a few bands over the years. I mean, it's quite ridiculous how many bands he's been in. And that was the one I remember, although I never heard him live. And this is where the magic happens. So anyway, we'll let y'all hear a little bit. I must be traveling on now.